The L-shaped Hinnom Valley acted as a natural western and southern boundary and defence for biblical-era Jerusalem. It meets the Kidron Valley just to the south of the city of David, and it is first mentioned in the Bible in Joshua chapter 15 verse 8, and is called the Valley of the son of Hinnom. During the biblical era, the Hinnom Valley acted as a burial place for the inhabitants of Jerusalem, and many tombs from the Iron Age and New Testament city have been discovered in it. The tombs of Herod's family members and the tomb of the high priest Annas are located here. It therefore became a place that was associated with death and grief. This grim association was made worse by the fact that the valley was used by rebellious Israelites and even kings of Judah like Ahaz and Manasseh as a place of idol worship, and it was here that children were sacrificed to the gods Baal and Molech at Topheth, which name literally means the burner, according to passages like 2 Chronicles chapter 28 verse 3 and chapter 33 verse 6. The prophet Jeremiah strongly condemned such wicked practices in Jeremiah chapter 7 verses 31 to 33. King Josiah would destroy both Topheth and the false places of worship that were located in the valley during his religious reforms, according to 2 Kings chapter 23 verse 10. Later in the New Testament era, the Hebrew name for the valley was transliterated into Greek as Gehenna, and it was this valley that was used as the city's primary dumping ground, which was continually burning, and it was a place of constant filth and decay. One possible reason that this location was chosen as the dumping ground for the city was because of the past false worship that had taken place in the valley during the times of the kings. Given the long association of this valley with death, filth, decay, wickedness, and continual fire and burning, it is not surprising, therefore, that both Jesus and James figuratively used the valley's Greek name of Gehenna to represent the dangers of an eternity in hell in passages like Matthew chapter 5 verse 22 and James chapter 3 verse 6. It is also in this infamous valley that the site of Judas Iscariot's death occurred, after he had betrayed Jesus and then hung himself. The site known as the Potter's Field in Matthew 27 verses 6 to 8 and Akeldama, or the Field of Blood, in Acts chapter 1 verse 19, was used as a place to bury foreigners during the Roman period, just as Matthew records. This is demonstrated by the presence of several tombs that belonged to Gentiles.